get you.
Help! Help!
Snap out of it.
I can't. I simply can't.
It's over.
Victory is mine.
Brutality.
Alright, so boom. They should have never let me find these power slap videos. Zygomatic bones will continue to be cracked.
Are you okay? Honey, are you okay?
I hope so.
Yeah, that wasn't really the backpedal I expected.
No backpedaling.
That damn discount Twitch streamer in the face done stepped forward while slapping. That's a violation. Deduct a point. There also appeared to be a clubbing blow on his slap attempt as well.
Is a no good, lousy son of a bitch. That's exactly what he is.
Payback's a bitch.
Down goes pink hair. For a second, he got into missionary. 3, 4, 5. Look at his feet. Look at his feet. Brother look like he's struggling to learn the bachata. It's all over. That's what you get. Cause you... In retaliation, he'd receive a CVS length powered receipt. Look at his body descending into the abyss.
It's my turn.
Holy fucking shit.
Wait a minute. He slapped the soul out that man. Get the defibrillator. Matter of fact, get that brother a heart transplant right now. Look at his face. That shit is emoting. In fact, he twerking like Ice Spice. Look at his upper lip. Ride that surf. Looking like a wave that transmogrified into a riptide. Peep his nose. Looking like it just got an erection. Don't forget about his earlobe. Looks like an enlarged clitoris. But above all else, keep your eye on his cheek. You can't tell me at the conclusion of the contact his zygomatic bone is not cracked. Left side of his face looked like a deflated BBL. Forget cosmetic surgery. Mans had to call in James Charles just to get his face ready for a family photo. Just make sure it's not his teenage son that reaches out. Oh, wait, I forgot. You can't talk about that on YouTube.
This game's winner is...
This man...
This world shall know pain.
He's fucked up.
The CTE already began. Homie think he holding on to his infant child. Mans threw a slap that looked like a punch. Look at his eyes. They keep rolling, rolling, rolling back like the Undertaker.
Rest in peace.
Looking like he cannonballing straight into the afterlife. Hey, look, the cinnamon stick from Applejack's is back.
Why?
As you can see, I am not dead.
They sewed his lips back together, but his jaw still taking max damage.
Bumbleclad.
Them bust like your bummer ass. Real bad man in the blood clot, you understand, eh? Top G in the Ross clot thing, is it that?
Fuck you, bitch.
Oh my god.
Good God, every time I see this man, he on his back. I'm starting to feel like I'm on the wrong website. Look at the footwork, Badman. But despite getting put on his ass twice, his opposition committed 2 fouls in back-to-back rounds, resulting in a victory.
Top G in the Ross clot thing, is it that?
Ouch, wait.
Oh my god.
Slap had that brother looking like a febile old man caught on a windy night in Chicago.
Do you want to continue or not?
No, please, 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 no.
Homie got slapped so hard, I think he consumed the wrong meal. He swallowed his mouthpiece. How you supposed to make room for HelloFresh now?
And now a word from our sponsors.
Remember those New Year's goals you promised yourself to stick to? HelloFresh is here to help you eat better by delivering fresh ingredients and easy recipes right to your door, taking the hassle out of dinner time. Today I'm making onion crunch chicken. With HelloFresh, you can skip the extra trip to the grocery store and the long checkout line. Spend more time doing the things you love with delicious chef-crafted recipes delivered straight to your doorstep. They've got 40 weekly recipes to choose from, and no matter your lifestyle or meal preferences, HelloFresh has recipes sure to please everybody at your table. From calorie smart to carb smart to veggie or family friendly, they've got options for days. And you can customize meals by swapping proteins or sides and even adding protein to a veggie dish. And now you can even upgrade for organic chicken or organic ground beef. Might I add, you'll only find quality ingredients in HelloFresh's recipe. What are you waiting for? Click the link in my description and go to HelloFresh.com and use code Chiseled65 for 65% off plus free shipping. That's HelloFresh.com and use code Chiseled65 for 65% off plus free shipping. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Hold on, they got statistics? What the hell does neck force mean? Hey, what? What happened to John F. Kennedy? Back and to the left.
Going down.
Had that brother walking around looking inebriated like he had the finest whiskey. Look at his nose wiggling. Look at that jiggle. Some nice bubble action right there. I know that Impact was lethal. No way he didn't leave this match without whiplash.
So much pain!
Hiya!
Mans received a violation for stepping, but did it even matter if your opponent didn't survive? Almost slapped the facial hair off that man. Look at him, lifeless on the ground.
Oh, fucking do it again.
God damn! Let me hit it again! God damn!
Homie slapped the ancestry out that boy. He's now become a man without a home. And now, it's time for the Kumite.
The Kumite? Did you say Kumite? Uh-huh. The Kumite. What's a Kumite?
Holy fucking shit.
Sidebar, don't Dana White look like a brother who always got diarrhea? You can't tell me he don't got Pepto on tap.
Boy, I gotta take a shit.
Chris Thomas did not need to slap the life out that man. Robert Frost once wrote The Road Not Taken. Evidently, Waylon Frost took the wrong path. He's gotta have brain damage, dealing with an everlasting phone call that can't be answered.
Do you hear that? Hear what?
A ring! A ring!
His cheek nearly exploded through his epidermis. His chin has got to be fractured. His head almost made contact with his knee on the way down. Look at his head dribbling off the pavement. Rumor has it he received a cease and desist letter from Spalding while recovering in the hospital. I don't think he's gonna make it. Throw him in an unmarked grave, but if the doctors have hope, somebody please call a goddamn EMT.
Finish him!
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
In all seriousness, how is this a sport? Our bloodlust is getting ridiculous. Might as well bring back the Coliseum. Shit, now that I think about it, I'm no better. I'd probably do commentary on that too. You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.